Hello everyone, so I have another set of embellishments to share with you, and these are very similar to the last ones that I showed you. And again, I used these same set of dies, the Nesting Hearts die set and the Words die set. This time, another die that I used, but this is from Waffle Flower, it is called Rosette Hearts. Now, let me tell you, you don't need this die to make a rosette heart, but it just makes the process a lot easier. And when you cut them out, this is what it looks like. So it makes two different sizes. You can see that there's the bigger one right here, and then there's a smaller one. This is the bigger one. That's what it looks like. And you can see the actual score marks. And it's just nice because, I mean, it's the hard work has already been done for you. It cuts it out and it scores it. There is a tutorial that I'm going to link down below, and I think I'm just repeating myself right now because there is I have like a little tutorial on how I put this together, and I think I already explained that I'm going to share with you a tutorial by someone else who did this without a die. Don't forget to use the code Thanks Rosa for an extra 10% off your total purchase over $35 plus free shipping worldwide. Alright, so here are my handmade embellishments, and I thought they came out really cute. And you can see that, like I had mentioned, they are very similar. Here are some of the embellishments that I had previously made, and then all I did was used this smaller heart. I used those on top of each of the rosettes, and again I added a bow and some, different words that I had. So there's that heart rosette, and I also used this one. This one is from Brenda Walton, I believe. So here is a die by Brenda Walton. It makes two different, okay, it's not going to focus, but it makes two different designs, and they are right there, as you can see. And so these pointy ones, though, that's from Brenda Walton, and I thought it's come out really cute. So pretty much like all I did was this really simple but yet cute embellishment. I just spruced it up a little bit by adding an embellishment, that rosette underneath. And then if you want to take it a step just a tad further, I made some wands, and here are the wands that I made, and I thought they came out really cute. And so this die right here is by Spellbinders, and I got this idea from Erica, who is Scrap Diva 29, because she used this die a lot last year, and I just had to get it. And that's what that one looks like. And so it comes with this really large one, but the one I used was the one size down. And so it's simple, you guys, but they're really cute. So and then this one has two rosettes, so I think that one looks even cuter. This one also has two rosettes, and it's not like super dimensional, which is pretty awesome. And so all I did was grab one of these, and for example this one would be something like this, and just hot glue it to that. And then I got the straw, and I did it the same way I did the other ones, where I just kind of like flattened a part of it. So I would hot glue this down to here. You know what, let me just do that really quick right now. So I hot glue this to here, and I like to add hot glue around just to ensure that it doesn't move. And then I will add more hot glue to the back of this rosette. And I like to be generous with my glue just to ensure that it won't ever come off. And that is it, you guys. And look how cute that looks. Super cute and easy. And if I wanted to, I could have added, before adding this rosette, I could have added some, you know, ribbon and trim, and that would have probably been even cuter. So here are my handmade embellishments and my rosettes. Hope you give it a try, ladies. I really want to see what you come up with. I love making handmade embellishments, and a lot of ladies have asked me, what do I do with my handmade embellishments? What can I do with it? Well, what you can do is you can add this to any project. You can add it to a card. You can add it to a pocket letter. You can add it to on the front cover of a loaded, what's it called? A flip book. You can even add it to a loaded envelope. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and I specifically made these rosettes because I do want to use it on a mini loaded pocket letter. No, I don't know why I keep saying loaded. On a mini pocket letter that I'm working on, and it's well, I'm working on 4 of them, but just to show you what that would look like, if I just add, you know, this to the center of one of them. Of course, I would have to do it from the outside, because I think it would be too bulky to adhere it to the inside. But look how cute that looks, just like that. It adds, and really you don't really have to add anything else if you didn't want to. But I thought that was really cute. Anyway, so that's it for today, ladies. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, everyone. Bye.